Okay, I'm watching Scarlett Takes a Tumble. Do the full screen.
Yeah. How do I do full screen? Right there? That one?
She's rolling around.
Oh, now we have to show
What made her think to actually stand in the
I
edge
have
like
no
that?
idea what was going through her head. She had to be drunk.
Now we have to show it to your mom.
She's the same exact thing.